This is Yannick, co-founder at Neurofinity, and today I'll show you how you can extract line items from Invoices into a Google Sheet spreadsheet in less than 1 minute. So we've already set up the Simplyfile software to watch this Google Drive folder that's currently empty, and we've set up this spreadsheet where all of the information is going to be collected. So all I'm doing now is taking this invoice here, this PDF invoice that you see with multiple line items, drop it into the folder, and now it's uploading, and now it's there. And now all we have to do is wait until it's going to be picked up and processed. Usually this should really happen within 1 minute, so it shouldn't be too long to wait here, and we should see up very shortly that the information is coming up. And here it already is, so you can see that since it's all one invoice, the invoice number is repeating, but for every line item here, we've got a separate line in the invoice where the line item is listed and the details for the specific line item. And all the information that's the same across the invoice is repeated here. Of course, you could set this up any way you wanted. You could also set this up to just create a new sheet for every single invoice if this is what you prefer, or have different tabs inside of the sheet. That's all up to you for how you want to configure it. But this is really how simple it is with Simplyfile, and we'll help you get started. So if this is interesting for you, just use the link below to book a demo and chat with our team to get this running for you.